Hey everyone, have you ever dreamed of a place where natural beauty meets architectural wonder? Well, buckle up, because today I'm taking you on a breathtaking drone journey over Vietnam. Vietnam is a land of contrasts where ancient temples stand tall amidst lush green landscapes. Our first stop is Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Picture this: emerald waters dotted with thousands of limestone islands and islets, each one more stunning than the last. It's like nature decided to show off its best work right here. Next, we soar over the terraced rice fields of Cang Chai. These fields aren't just a source of sustenance, they are a living, breathing work of art. From above, the terraces look like giant steps leading to the heavens, with every shade of green you can imagine. It's a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the Vietnamese people. And then, there's the ancient town of Hoi An. Flying over its narrow streets, you can almost feel the history seeping through the yellow walls and red-tiled roofs. The town is a perfect blend of different architectural styles, thanks to its history as a trading port. It's like a living museum where every corner has a story to tell. Let's not forget the awe-inspiring Phong Nha, Chi Bang National Park. This place is home to some of the world's largest caves. As the drone glides through the karst mountains, you get a sense of the sheer scale and majesty of this natural wonder. It's a place that makes you feel tiny in the grand scheme of things. Finally, we arrive in Chi Minh City, a bustling metropolis that never sleeps. The contrast here is striking. From the ancient pagodas to the modern skyscrapers, the city is a testament to Vietnam's rapid growth and resilience. As the drone captures the city's skyline at sunset, you're left with a sense of awe and inspiration. Vietnam is a country that has something for everyone. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or an urban explorer, you'll find something here that takes your breath away. So, why not add Vietnam to your travel bucket list? Trust me, it's a journey you won't forget. Thanks for joining me on this aerial adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stunning travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.